It's not a question of survival. You are about to enter, I think, like the greatest golden age of human possibility, technological development, economic growth. It's like, I think it's going to be quite fantastic. To thrive in that world, I think the skills that matter are deep familiarity with the tools and staying abreast of changes and just working with them very closely to develop a great intuition for where things are going and how to make use of it. Resilience, a very ability to learn new things fast and adapt to them and sort of evolve yourself with the technology. But those are the kind of skills that I think are going to be very much rewarded.
You just heard was Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, the company which made the world famous AI chatbot ChatGPT. What he said is of utmost importance because all of us need to stay abreast this AI age or revolution. Because AI will soon become a basic necessity or a norm in almost everything. Today let's look at a few tasks that can be accomplished using different AI tools. Let's see how we can use AI tools for brainstorming ideas, content creation, creative writing, and for helping us write code or just helping us with it. The tool which we'll be using is ChatGPT by OpenAI, but one can also use Claude from Anthropic or Gemini by Google. We can use ChatGPT to help us with the coding problems. Here we see how it solves the entire assignment we gave it. It even gives us the option to copy the entire code and then just paste it in our desired ID. Let us see another example where it helps us to come up with ideas for a themed birthday party. ChatGPT-like AI models are very helpful for content creation as well. As we can see, it gives us entire scripts and setups for reels. We can also use ChatGPT to create educational quizzes and tests in whatever format we like. It is also very good at creative writing and dreaming up stories, poems, essays on any topic we want. These are just a few examples of how we can use these AI chatbots to do numerous different tasks. There are multiple AI tools made just for research. Let's see such an AI tool right now called Perplexity. Let's take the example of time series forecasting in Python, which is just predicting the future based on what has actually happened in the past. Perplexity will do what it does, researching the topic, giving us code, giving us information. Another good feature that this tool has is it allows us to ask follow-up questions, like we will just do. We can ask it follow-up questions based on what it has given us, or we can make up our own questions and ask it. Another big part of research is going through multiple sources, and Perplexity gives us access to all those right resources as well. Now let's see another non-technical example this time. Let's do reverse psychology. As before, it gives us good amount of information, follow-up questions and multiple sources to go as well. For image generation, let's take a look at an AI tool called Midjourney. For Midjourney, you'll have to go to their website, either sign up or log in, and it will take you to a Discord server. Just go to the server, go to any of the channels out there for newbies, and just type /imagine and write the prompt whichever you want. I have exhausted my free trial. That's why I cannot do it. I have been using this tool for a long time and it's pretty good. You get an output something like this and you get options to change it. There are multiple versions or you can just reload the image. It's a pretty good tool. Another AI tool which we will be using today is Microsoft Designer. We just navigate to their website and choose images. Using it is pretty straightforward. You give the prompt where it asks you for the image description. You even get a chance to choose a size for the image. It takes some time to generate the images. After the images are generated, you can choose to download the image or edit the image with AI or on your own. The best tool at this point to create videos with just a text prompt is Luma Dream Machine. As you can see, I have already created 2 videos and they are absolutely mind-blowing. Let's make a video right now and let's just use their example prompt. As you can see, the video is being created right now. Once the video is created, you can extend it. You can extend it to make it longer or download it. But just look at what a great video the AI tool has made. This might just be my most favorite AI tool out of all the AI tools I have used. It is called Suno AI and it generates music with just a text prompt. The homepage contains music generated by other people on the platform using AI. The main magic though happens in the create page. Again, let's just use their example prompt and go ahead with it. It creates 2 very different songs having the same lyrics. The beat, tune, melody, voice will be different, but the words will all be the same. This tool is clearly the winner of the video, for me at least.
The table all alone. Yeah, let's get such a tone. Banana bright, you're my own from a faraway zone. Peel you back one by one. Golden fruit in the sun. Simple joy, never done. You're my number one. Banana, banana, sweet delight. On the table, all alone. Yellow's in such a tone. Banana bright, you're my own from a faraway zone. Peel you back one by one. Golden fruit in the sun.
After hearing just how good it is, even you would not be able to tell if it was created by AI or a real person. Thank you everyone for watching this video about AI tools and tasks you can accomplish with them. I would also like to thank Sumit Malik sir at Scaler. Goodbye, until next time.